173, I'm into this call, please. Okay.
Getting off at 384. Speeds, traffic conditions, please. Normal Archer Road traffic coming up to the light. Gonna turn westbound.
Yeah, there's no Justin. I'm coming up town Archer when you know I said it sticks out. I'm not sure the unit in front of me yet.
Justin, I'm at Oak Park. I'll put sticks here. Alright, going the wrong way on the interstate. On the southbound off ramp.
From northbound on southbound side?
That's correct.
Hey, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Bravo Mike, red shirt, beard. Westbound Archer Road, westbound Archer Road. Did you fail? Negative. Wrong way, Archer Road. Wrong way, Archer Road traffic. Come on this block. Reserve at Canal Block. Reserve at Canal Block. Back in the right lane of travel. An acceleration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any ideas on fitting? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle?
What time is it again?
We're coming out of Canal Block. I'm sorry. Acceleration point. Not hard to do. Pretty small. It's a short box truck.
Becomes a daily on it, stop the vehicle fitting.
Definitely dangerous.
Once you can get this vehicle off the road.
Corey, where you at now?
Archer 93, Archer 93. 75 catch, I get the 6 out in front of Master Coast, and it's not gonna fuck.
Why you go update, please? We're eastbound. Or past some Burger King eastbound.
Y'all, when I'll call from ASO, eastbound. Down the block eastbound speeds are about 60 miles an hour.
Okay, so units 2300 Archer.
Northbound into the new Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
Okay, good, you locked him in. That's a perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy. Alright, he's running through the Best Buy Plaza.
Bring up my vehicle also.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good?
You can get here in the alley. I'm going to check on this red car.
Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th Street.
People, pit that truck, pit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour.
Do you have any lag units? I need a ride.
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Alright, 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through Wind Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, and wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
And here's the state to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so third part. Attempted pit. We are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34th. Keep her off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second so we can call it. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street. Attempted pit again. Coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th. I need to block up Wind Meadows Boulevard.
They ain't wrong. I ain't blaming the police. They just protecting the people.
Uniform.
I ain't even mad at y'all, cause y'all did y'all job.